Hi, it's Tequila Friday with the Sugar Branch Library, and we are going to make the Angry Bird Pig. So here he is. He looks a little scared as he's going to be knocked over by an angry bird. So what you will need is some green fabric, some green fun foam, thread, and a needle, and some wiggly eyes, a black Sharpie, hot glue gun, and glue sticks, and some foam. So how I'm going to start is my needle here. I'm going to do what's called a running stitch, and I am going to insert it into the corner, and I'm actually going to come closer to the camera so you can see what I'm doing. So this stitch will help to gather your material. Just kind of push the needle in and out, or up and down. And as I pull the thread through, it starts to gather the material. So you want to do that all the way around your green material, and then I'm actually going to go back to my seat and finish off the running stitch. And then, as you can see, I finished it. Don't knot your thread. Just pull, and you get a nice little cup type bag. And then we are going to put cotton batting inside. So I like to say about a snowball size like this. And then you're going to take and tuck it into the pouch. And then pull it really tight so that it traps the cotton inside. And what we are going to do now that our cotton is inside the green material is we are going to stitch this shut so it doesn't pop open. I'll pull it nice and tight, and then poke the opposite side. This is a good skill for children that are 12 and older. Oops. Okay, so now I'm gonna tie a knot. So now you poke it in, and then there's this loop that you wrap around the needle. Makes it nice and tight and prevents it from escaping, and then you just want to cut the end off of the thread. So I like to squish my little guy to kind of straighten him out. Oh. There. Now we can put on wiggle eyes and a snout and 2 little ears. With the green foam, I am going to draw Leonard's nose and ears. I know the Angry Bird pigs have smaller ears, but I like making mine big so they look so cute. So here's his snout. And then you cut it all out. I'm going to darken the nostrils a bit so that they look more like piggy nose. So now his snout looks like this. Cut the ears, and I like to give them a little fold. So just kind of take your ear and bend it over like that. Open my wiggle eyes. I want 2 smallish green eyes, so about that big. You can also choose to use foam or draw them on or whatever you'd like to do for wiggle eyes if you don't have any. So the hot glue gun, I'm gluing everything on. He's almost ready to be stuck on the scaffolding and shot down. He just needs a mouth. So with a black marker, I am going to draw a circular mouth like he's yelling. Or you can put a little smile on him. There he is.